Hello everyone, welcome to today's session where today we are going to look at the term Indian English Literature. Indian English Literature is also known as Indian Writing in English, and it is also frequently referred as Indo-Anglian Literature. And if we attempt to define this genre or this term, then it refers to the body of work by writers in India who write in the English language and whose native or co-native language could be one of the numerous languages of India. So after the definition, it is very clear that Indo-Anglian Literature or Indian Writing in English or Indian English Literature comprises of the writings of those people who are from Indian origin but whose native language is not English, whose native language is any language from India, from Indian land. And one thing also to be noted here, that when we speak or talk Indo-Anglian literature, then it may be classified under the genre of post-colonial literature. If I speak or if I state this term generally, in general terms, post-colonial literature, then post-colonial literature is a production from previously colonized countries such as India. So this has some specificity. Specifically it has some specific flavor when we speak it Indo-Anglian literature. But Indian English literature, the canvas of Indian English literature is wider. We can say it encompasses a wide varieties of themes and ideologies from the late 18th century to the present day. So if we talk about the history of Indian English literature, then the early history began with the writings of Henry Louis Vivian Desrosiers and Michael Madhusudan Dutt, followed by Rabindranath Tagore and Shri Aurobindo, and the famous trio R.K. Narayan, Mulk Raj Anand and Raja Rao contributed a lot in the growth and popularity of Indian fiction in 1930s. And one thing should be kept in mind, that sometimes or in some cases Indian English literature is also associated with the works of the members of Indian diaspora, or we can say Indian diasporic writers also falls in this category, like writers such as Kiran Desai, V.S. Naipaul or Jhumpa Lahiri, who are of Indian descent and who compose work in English. So at the end of this session, I would like to say that seeing the present performance of Indian English literature, it can be very well asserted that Indian writers, poets, novelists and essayists have been making a considerable and momentous contributions in world literature. And gone are the days when Indian English literature was termed as a weaker version of English. It has become a very thing of past when several terms of contempt were used in reference to Indian English literature. The terms such as Hobson, Jobson, Butler English, Barrow English, Chi-Chi and Kitchen English. So we can say that in the present day, Indian English literature has become successful in gaining an individuality of its own. So with this we come to the end of this session. Thank you for your attention.